big challenge that many people face is making your buyers curious to buy more products. Now, when a person comes to your site, he searches for what he wants. If he doesn't get it, he leaves. Now, what if you could make your buyers more curious to see what else is there or how much more I can get? So let's say you have a bunch of new Halloween themed t-shirts, and for each t-shirt you have some variants. Now, what you can do is you can do some customizations on the product page so that a person will look into the different designs or the different variants of your t-shirt, maybe the different colors or the size. So what you have to do is you have to give some special offers or some special customizations on the page that will let the customers think that, all right, maybe I should choose this variant, or let's see what else is available. Now, one small way could be adding a conditional discount. Let's say a person buying multiple quantities will get a discount, but there are more creative ways you can go on about this. Let us look at a few examples. One smart thing to do is to use little customizations that catch the eye. For example, you can change the text on the add to cart button into something more different or something more catchy, because people are used to seeing add to cart. What if you change the text to grab it now or get your offer now? This thing sounds more engaging and people will find it different, and they might be intrigued to see, okay, let's see what this is. All right. Now, another way is to use variation swatches. I don't know if you heard about this. It's pretty common nowadays to add variation swatches to view product variations instead of the drop down that you get on WooCommerce. All right, so when a person comes in, let's say your t-shirt has 3 colors, he can see all 3 colors in terms of small swatches. So he can actually know, okay, these are the available colors, and he might be able to choose the one he wants. Now, one special thing you can do during the Halloween with this is you could use Halloween icons as the variation swatches. Let's say you could use pumpkin faces as the icons, and they would be colored in different colors. Let's say one orange colored pumpkin head, one black colored pumpkin head. This would mean the color of the t-shirt. This will look more intriguing and people will be more excited to click on that. Now, there are a few other small things you can do. For example, you can create a bundle of this product with some other products and put it in the suggestion on that page, or maybe use it as an upsell. When a person tries to buy it, you offer that okay, rather than buying that single item, you can buy this bundle. This will be more beneficial. So the specialty of a bundle is that a person can get 2 or 3 related products at one single price, which is less than the actual total. So this could be a great way to get customers to buy more from you, even if he just needed that one item. Again, what other thing you can do is you could mark the best-selling variant of your product. Let's say you have red, blue, and green colored t-shirts. You can mark the red one as one best-selling one, so that people will be curious that, all right, more people are buying this, I want to follow the trend, and so maybe I'll buy that one. So that's one way to get them curious. And last but not least, you can offer conditional discounts. As I said earlier, you could offer discount on multiple quantities bought. Let's say 3 t-shirts will get them a 10% discount, or you can offer them that if they buy multiple colors, they'll get a discount. Let's say out of the 3, if he buys 2 color t-shirts together in the cart, he'll get a 10% discount. So these are some small offers or small changes that you can do on your page that can trigger your customers to add more products to the cart and eventually buy them. So that's it for this marketing technique. Let us move on to the next video.